Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update error for KB5065789 not installing on Windows level. In this video, seen before, like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you want more gaming and technically serious videos like this, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one, follow to this problem fix it. Let's start the steps. First step, restart. So go to the start menu, click on the power button. Select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step, services. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type that services. Just you can click on to open it. Then scroll down. You can find that Windows update. Just right click, click on the properties. Then you can go to the service status check it. If this stop, just start button click here to change here. I will already change it. Then hit the apply and OK button click here to come to back. Then go to the next step. Command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that CMD. Just right click, click on the run as administrator. Then click on the yes. Then type that SFC. Give the space /scan now. Hit the enter. This process will take some time, so wait here. Verification 100% completed, then only come to back. I will skip it this step. Then go to the next step for Windows update file delete. Or if you have some corrupted files, your Windows update, if this getting this error, so go to the file exporter. Then local disk C, double tap to open it, then go to the Windows folder, then scroll down, find software distribution, double tap to open it, then select it all, just right click, click on the delete button. Once delete all folders, then come to back, then restart your system, again check it. If this try to did not working, then go to the next step for the troubleshoot your Windows update. So go to the settings, then search bar click here, click to type that Windows update. Then scroll down, click on the find and fixing problem with Windows update. Here show the new tab, then click on the next button. After that, your problem fix it. Then directly go to the settings, Windows update, click here to update it that your problem solve it. Thanks for watching.